Hello students, let us start today a new chapter, Understanding Laws. In this chapter, we will study, do laws apply to all? Yes, of course, laws apply to all. The moment we come out of our home, we keep to the left on the road. In fact, even at our own home or house, we have to follow certain rules or regulations, though those rules and regulations are not written. And we in Free India have to follow certain rules, and we all know that there is no one above the law, or it means that we have rule of law in our country, and it is written in our constitution that there is no arbitrary exercise of power in independent or free India. It means all people are equal, whether it is PN or PM. It means right from PN to PM, all are equal, and no one is above law. Suppose a PN or a PM has any problem, both of them have to go to the court to seek justice. In this way, we can say that all are equal, and law does not discriminate, or rather cannot discriminate against any person on the basis of caste, creed, religion or reason, and all are equal, and rules are applied to all, and no one is or none is above the law. Second, we will study how do new laws come about. One is that when elections are held, during that time different political parties, they promise if their government is there in the country, then they will frame certain rules and regulations. They will make some laws for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of the country. Besides it, there are a number of other ways in which rules are framed or formed, just as there is a story in our book or in our lesson that tells us how the law for the protection of women against domestic violence came to existence. So that is, there are certain pressure groups which pressurize the government to make some law. It means the people, suppose the people have some problem, they come together, they go to all forms, say they print their problems in the media, all types of media, electronic media as well as the print media is used to get the attention of the government, and then the government is pressurized to make certain rules or laws. Then we will study unpopular and controversial laws. So there are number of laws framed by the government, which though they are legal and they are valid according to the constitution, but they may not be popular, or people feel that these laws are against them, or the laws can be biased. The law has been made maybe for the benefit of some few person, and the others may be feeling that it is a disadvantage for them. So such type of laws are there, though they are against law, but against law that is against the constitution, yet the laws are there. Then some are controversial laws. Some people like it, sometimes people do not like it, and it appears that they are legal, but if there is some problem, people may go to the court, seek redressal, and the court can come forward, and court is there to modify and ask the government to change a bit or to cancel the law. So the Supreme Court or the High Court, both the courts have powers to interpret the constitution, and then they do it. It means people play a greater role in a democracy to frame laws. That is why we say that in a democracy, people or citizen must be active, rather people must be proactive, so that our democracy may be successful. So all this we are going to study in this chapter, Understanding Laws. Thank you students.